Hey there, let's learn how to clone Supersaas locally on your machine and run it. So once you purchase a license and activate it, you'll be invited to the Essentials repository on GitHub. And there are two ways you could clone the repository locally. So the first one is basically the classic git clone command and the URL and your name. The problem with this way is you also get my commit history. So I usually prefer this other option and also suggest you use it. So head over to the repository and click on use this template. Let's give it a name. My SaaS app sounds good. And let's make sure we include all the branches because it includes the Next Hub branch, which is quite useful if you want to host it on Next Hub. And keep the visibility to private and hit on create repository button. And if you give it a few seconds, this should be up on your account. And there we go. So yeah, let's click on this command and let's try to clone it locally on our using our terminal. So I will head over to my folder and paste the command. So this will basically clone my SaaS app, which we just created. And now we have it locally on our machine. So let's cd into my SaaS app and open it up on VS Code. And there we go. We now have the project and the code up and running up on our machine. And in order to start it, we make sure you have Node installed, and you can either use PNPM or NPM or yarn, whatever you want to. And in order to install the dependencies, let's just do PNPM install. This will make sure that all the dependencies which Supersaas is dependent on gets installed. And there we go. Thanks.